Welcome to Chiboyet. Today, let's have a short discussion about the HPS, or the hydraulic power supply. The HPS unit contains of an engine-driven pump with redundant electric startup pumps. So, let's discuss in the MOP.
So, punta naman tayo ngayon sa hydraulic system. So, sa makina natin na to, meron tayong tatlong HPS na driven by engine at dalawa naman na driven by electric motor. Okay. So, there are some design na dalawa na lang ang HPS niya driven by engine. Pero dalawa pa rin yung kanyang HPS driven by electric motor. Paano nga ba ito gumagana? Okay. So halimbawa, nakapara pa yung makina nyo o standby. Normally, what we are using is okay, yung HPS natin driven by electric motor. So, we have the number 1 and number 2. Minsan sa iba, ang tawag niyan is master, slave. Yung iba naman is lead 1, lead 2. It depends. But, in short, that is only 1 and 2. Pareho sila. Wala silang pinagkaiba. You can set either yung number 1 as a master or lead, or either yung number 2, pwede mong pagpalitin. Kapag ang barko o ang makina natin naka-stop, normally, kapag pinatakbo mo, isang pump lang. Ngayon, kapag departure na, meron siyang certain na hydraulic pressure dito, no? At meron siyang set point. Kapag hindi niya naabot yung set point niya, or yung setting niya, no? At hindi kaya ng isang pump, the second pump is tatakbo, no? To compensate yung set point niya. Ngayon, when engine is running, at sapat na ngayon yung pressure ng hydraulic mo, kaya nang i-sustain nitong tatlo na to, the engine-driven pump. By the way, no, upon starting, ito, tatlo na to, gumagana na to. Gumagana na siya. When the time comes na sufficient na yung hydraulic pressure mo at kaya nang i-sustain ito, that's the time maka-cut off na ito. Okay. Ngayon, the pressure, kung makikita nyo, meron tayong mga relief valve. Yung relief valve natin, meron tayong relief valve dito at saka relief valve dito. Para saan kayo itong dalawang relief valve na to? Overpressure? Yes, siyempre naman, yung relief valve, pang overpressure talaga. Okay. Pero bakit dalawa? Okay. Itong relief valve na to is, magbubukas siya kapag nag-overpressure siya dito. Kapag lumabis yung hydraulic pressure mo, this valve, relief valve will open. Para saan naman ito? Okay, para sa tatlo. Kapag yung makina mo nag-shutdown siya, this valve will open to release the hydraulic pressure. Kapag nag-shutdown ng main engine, this will open to release the pressure of hydraulic in the system. Pero itong relief valve na to, it will open kapag mayroon kang overpressure, excessive pressure in the line. So ito yung pagkakaiba ng dalawang relief valve in the system. No? This valve opens kapag nag-shutdown yung makina mo, no, to release the pressure of hydraulic. While this valve open if there is an excessive pressure, hydraulic pressure in the line.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless us all!